Dear number 5, it's May again, and I know as the 5th month comes to an end, you may be feeling ordinarily ordinary. Yet while all numbers are equally important because they all have infinite uses, negative 43 and a third is used just as often as you are, you're still one of the most commonly utilized numbers. This is shown in how digits, such as yourself, are used so often because they form every other number. You even take up all 3 digits of this letter's word count. Digits are also the first natural numbers, meaning that they are the first to come up when counting. This also means that you are one of the first numbers taught. You are a significant number throughout a person's life, and you will always be a significant figure, no matter how many zeros are before you. You're used in the type of math that every person consistently uses while actively thinking about it. But you also have the ability to be involved in very complex equations that explain the world, from someone simply needing to figure out a cost to someone applying the Black-Scholes model. Digits like you are simply the most likely to occur. You're also the multiple of a lot of other commonly utilized numbers, such as the numbers ending in 0. 10 is one of the most commonly used numbers, especially when grouping things, as is 100, 1000, and so on. All of these numbers are multiples of you, which makes your timetable quite easy to remember. Because of that, almost all currency is a multiple of you. You make things easy to group and sort. You also have a meaning outside of mathematics. You have significance in many religions. In Islam, there are the 5 pillars, duties that Muslims are obligated to fulfill. In Judaism, there are the 5 books of the Torah. In some interpretations of Christianity, 5 represents God's grace. In Buddhism, there are the 5 precepts, commitments Buddhists must uphold. And finally, in Hinduism, there are the 5 elements, or Panchabhuta, that make up the universe. Every major religion in the world has significance for you. In fact, these are the 5 major religions. There's a belief called numerology, an idea akin to astrology that states that all numbers have symbolism outside of their arithmetic value. You're often thought to represent audacity and adaptability. The people numerologists associate with you are considered people who don't settle down, but rather are always seeking new experiences. In a way, this relates to me too. I always want new experiences and don't want the same thing to happen in my life over and over again. While I don't subscribe to the belief of numerology, I appreciate how it has helped me be able to relate to you. Overall, you hold meaning to many people. Some people have a connection to May or a date on the 5th. After all, the Ides of March is 5/15. Others think fondly of when they were 5, or when their children were 5, or maybe have a favorite TV show where their best season is the 5th. So please don't think of yourself as a number of a month soon to end, but as the positive integer I know you are. Sincerely, Jonah.